Hey, what's up? So, we're going to the Littest today, and I need to get the GoPro and the, I don't know what it's called. Chess piece is it called? Look, this thing here. I think it's called the chess piece. But I'm gonna go and get that, and we should be on our way. So let's go. What's next? Carl, what are you doing? What are you doing, Will? What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, so here's the view. You know you got that. What's it called? What's that called down there?
What do you mean?
That. Lake.
It's not a lake. I don't know really.
Yeah, we got the don't know what it's called. I actually don't know what it's called. We got the little aquarium.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. And then here's the view. So you can see, we went snorkeling there last year. I would play a few clips, but I can't find any clips of it. So yeah, now I'm gonna go and put the GoPro on. So now I'm gonna go and put the GoPro on, and we're going to the water park, and that's like right down there. You probably can't see it, but the what's that pyramid? There's like the pyramid of like the Egyptians, and then you got the slides there. I don't know what they're called. Those are the racing slides there. Who wants to race me?
Yeah, I think I want to. And Will, yeah. Oh!
There's world stars fight.
Oh, you fell over. What's happening here? Oh!
I need up. I know you just did it.
John's done it.
I'm banging you up.
Beat Will up. No, he can't.
I'll bang you. Fine, gonna go and discard all your team. Can you do that? Okay. Okay, what's next? Let's go.
Got it, John! Got it!
No, okay, I'll try to do my transition. No, my phone's on the bed.
Get
My girl's on my G.
He cracks my phone's on the bed.
My phone's on.
John, you got a better phone than me. Oh, yeah.
What's next? Let's go. Okay, we're on the boat and it's actually looking pretty lit. Let's go. Cue montage.
Let's go.
Okay, so you saw them cars there. They're actually at the Atlantis. They were some pretty nice cars. Got some Ferraris, some Lamborghinis, some Mercedes. They were quite nice. So come back tomorrow. It's like the same as yesterday. Come back tomorrow because tomorrow we're going jet skiing and it's going to be good. Just come back for it because it's going to be good. And we also went on a boat. You saw that as well. I already played the montage of it probably. And I will see you tomorrow because we're doing it daily. Peace.